Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious pot of black-eyed peas with smoked turkey. You're going to need 1 pound of dried black-eyed peas. You want to pick through those peas, and we're going to remove any rocks or discolored peas. Soak your peas in cold water overnight, or you can soak them for about 8 hours during the daytime. So after soaking, we're going to be sure to drain the water. You want to rinse those peas off. Then we're going to add them to a crock pot. Into this, we'll add the smoked turkey, chopped celery, bell pepper, onion and garlic, and low sodium chicken broth. Okay, and you'll need enough liquid to cover the peas. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of bacon grease and 2 bay leaves. Then we're gonna cook this on low for 5 hours. Now let's add our seasonings. We'll be using Tony's Creole seasoning, chicken bouillon powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, oregano, onion powder, and black pepper. And as always, all of the ingredients and measurements are going to be written in the description box. So now after adding those seasonings, cover the pot. We're going to let this finish cooking on low setting until the smoked turkey is fall off the bone tender. You can remove your turkey from the pot and go ahead and shred the meat up. Fish out those bay leaves. Now will be a great time to thicken your peas. I'm going to remove some of the broth, combine it with 1 tablespoon of flour, mix until the flour is smooth and dissolved. And now I'm going to add this back to the pot. And look at how delicious this looks. Do y'all see this? Like the flour has lifted the color of the broth. It's not too thick, it's not too thin, it's perfect. So now last but not least, let's add the shredded turkey to the pot. Okay, we're gonna give this a little mix, and from here, this is done. You can serve this with cornbread, or you can pair it with some rice. So I ate it all by itself, and it was so flavorful. Yes, it was so good. Thank you so much for your support on my channel. Be sure to click the like button if you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one.